Top 3 Magical Extensions of the Week. HTML End Tag Labels. It's incredible and useful extension. It shows what HTML element is being closed, instead of leaving comments in your HTML code. VS Code Icons. It's one of the most popular extensions. It gives you these stunning icons in your VS Code to make your code beautiful and more organized. HTML Tag Wrap. It's really amazing extension in VS Code. Just select the code, press Alt and W, or Option and W for Mac, and type the tag name you want. You can select one or more blocks of text or strings of text. Top 3 Programming Tools of the Week. UnicornIcons.com. It's an amazing website for free-to-use animated icons. Choose the icon you want. You can easily customize it. When you finish, just press download. CSS Grid Generator. It's an amazing website to generate CSS grid layouts. Customize the columns, rows, and gaps, then copy the code to use it easily in your projects. UIverse.io. It's a collection of UI components built only with HTML and CSS. Choose the one you want, copy the code to use it easily in your projects. Powerful Chrome Extensions, Part 3. Go to Chrome Web Store and install CSS Peeper. It's an incredible extension that helps you get CSS styles, colors, assets, and images used in any website in the world.
Magical Visual Studio Code Extensions Part 11. Console Ninja is really useful extension to console log faster in Visual Studio Code. To enable it, go to Settings and type Ninja. Check all of those, restart your VS Code, then run your code, start the Console Ninja. And that's it. Now you can visualize your console log very quickly inside the editor, which can really save time.
Magical Visual Studio Code Extensions Part 12. CSS Peek is a useful extension for the front-end developers. Hold Control and hover over the class name or ID. It allows you to preview CSS styles in your HTML.
Useful Programming Tools Part 61. Go to this website. Basically, it's a tool for SVG backgrounds. Choose anything, you can change the colors and customize it as you want. And then you can download or get the code. For example, I used it here for a cards effect.
Useful Programming Tools Part 87. Go to Google and search for this website. It's really helpful website to generate CSS animations. It's fully customizable and free to use. When you finish, just copy the code to use it easily in your projects.